Hello everyone, I hope you all doing good. My name is Sandeep Goswami and this is my YouTube channel Sandeep Goswami Classes. So many startups are using their best business model and want to make their startup successful. But what are the other key strategies and planning to establish a successful brand, product or any business for the long run? And how it can be scalable in the future and grow into a big company? So here are some of the very important points that can be really helpful. Number one is the right problem statement. Number two, a solution that is better than your competitors. Number three, know your right customer, your target audience. Number four, strong deals and promotion, the marketing perks. And number five, make sure you're able to generate profit. Now let's understand this better with an example of fashion industry which evolves with time and in a certain period of duration. And with the rise of social media, it is changing more rapidly. Now, let's say you want to make a platform or build something in the fashion industry, and it is your dream to give a platform or something for the coming generation, like Gen Zs, college students, and all those youngsters who always into style and fashion and always try to look different from others. But the majority of them are very common problem, and that is the limited budget. They all want to shop stylish and expensive clothing and always try to look cool, but the pocket money is very limited. On the other side, there are many brands and stores which offer amazing deals and discounts, but you want to create your own brand, your own identity, your own fashion statement. Then you have to compete with your competitors. But first, let's say you have your own fashion category and only for those who's your target customers, like casual wear, party wear, gym wear, workout clothing, and even in the formal segment as well. Then start to sort out with the pricing first. Once you have a clarity about the pricing structure, then it's time to choose your best and trending design. And also take care about the quality, which is very important. So these are some of the key things that will help you to compete in the market, and also you can take a very good lead in it. Number one is the pricing. Number two is design and style. And number three is not compromising with the quality. So once you have done with these things, then you can move to your next step. The next step is to know your customer, your target audience. For example, at the initial stage, you want to launch your platform in Delhi and NCR only. And you want to target all those youngsters and Gen Zs who belongs to that location. Then here you can take some help from AI and refine your target customers, like what they choose to buy, on which price segment they prefer the most. Are they like to shop online or offline, or whether they have any design specific. So these are some of the research points which you should write down. Once you know your customer, their choices, their decisions, the mindset they have when they like to shop, then the next step is to create attractive deals and discounts for them. And also, you have to decide in which category, in which segment you can give offers like buy two at one price, win coupon and discounts on every purchase, and also the referral earning, which so many youngsters likes. And after you prepared everything, then the next phase is the right marketing. Now it's up to you whether you choose online or offline marketing first. I prefer to start with the online, design a very good looking website with a well designed interface, and start promoting it on social media with your targeted ads and campaign. Now, once you're handling all your social media well, then you can move to the offline marketing. Collaborate with some stores and outlets and go to those places where you can find your target audience, like cafes, colleges, and popular hubs. Meet the youngsters, make reels and video with them, take their reviews about your design, about your style, and promote that content online. And after you run all the promotion campaign, then balance everything, your online marketing, your offline marketing, and even your in-house team as well. And the most important thing is to be consistent, patient, and stay positive. And I believe that after all these efforts, you will see a very positive momentum and a growth in your business. Like sales starts to increase. People become more interested in your store, in your website. They want to buy your design, they want to buy your styling. It's like a breakthrough in your business. So these are some of the key strategies that will help you to establish your own brand, your own identity in the fashion industry. Thank you so much. Hey everyone, I hope you like my video of how to create a successful startup and the key strategies. If you have any questions or any doubt, then you can connect me on my Instagram or my LinkedIn, or you can mail me at the given email address in the description. And yes, if you like the video, then do subscribe my channel Sandeep Goswami Classes for the more upcoming videos, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow founders.